Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you're following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there. Taking second drop for CLAT. Should I take a drop after drop for CLAT? Now this is one question that have been asked again and again, and I seriously never knew that there are people out there, there are candidates out there who take second drop for CLAT. Well, it needs discussion. We need to discuss. So, yes, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Logiri. We go unplugged and we are going to talk in detail about this very thing that should you take second drop for CLAT. Let's dive into the video. Taking first drop in itself is a very big decision of your life. And then I got to know that there are students, there are candidates who also go for second drop for CLAT. Now, if you want to know that, I did a detailed video, like I've done 2 to 3 videos wherein I've talked about droppers, that how you should, decide what are the things that you should be clear about before you take a drop and then only take a drop. Do not take a drop if these things are there. And I've also told you that how you got to plan the thing, how you need to improve and everything, right? Because taking a drop for CLAT is a big decision. Taking that first drop is a very big decision, and if you're planning to take a second drop, then though it's a very huge, like, bada decision, and you need to think over it. Now I want to give you a background of this video कि मैंने ये video क्यों decide किया बनाने के लिए, because there was this student who emailed me and he told me that, ma'am, I want to ask you that what I should do, which I, normal on and off, I do get emails wherein students do ask that which college we should opt for. We have these options. Now this student has a completely different problem. Now he told me that he has taken 2 drops already and was not able to make it to any NLU, which is sad. The first thing that I asked him was that why did you take a second drop? Because to be really frank, whenever someone comes to me and tells me that I took a drop and I couldn't make it to an NLU, I normally tell that person that if you're really passionate about law, if you really want to be an advocate, then go for any college that you're getting, right? But make the best choice out of the, the job options that you have. Make the best choice that you can. That I always tell. But second drop, I never recommend second drop. Now, he said, I heard someone saying that a candidate took 2 drops and it was then that person was able to make it to an NLU. So I thought that if I also opt for 2 drops, I will be able to make it to an NLU, right? Now, this is one thing that I want to tell and ask you guys both, that if you hear someone's story, why don't you dig in and take other details also? What did that student do to clear the exam the third time or the second time? You should ask these questions, right? Now, this is one thing, that why don't you dig in? Why don't you ask more questions? क्या किया ऐसा that chap was able to clear CLAT the next year but not that very year, right? Why no one talks about candidates who took a drop and couldn't get admission anywhere? Guys, let's be clear, let's be honest. Yes, there are students, there are candidates who get into an NLU when they take first drop, second drop, but there are many students out there, many candidates out there who are not able to get an NLU after taking 1 drop and second drop also. So that is one thing that you should keep in mind and then take the step. Why no one talks about it? Now everyone says, oh, if you talk negative, negative would happen. Let's be real. This can happen. 0.5% या 1% चांसेस हैं कि आपको NLU नहीं मिलेगा, और यहाँ पर तो बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं कि नहीं मिलेगा, right? So now, when you take a drop, there are a lot many things which happen. It kills you. It is a scar. And that is why I always tell students who are going to take a drop that please tell yourself that yes, I'm giving myself another chance, not myself, and only one other chance. If I make it well and good, if I don't, I will just walk away. I will just move in my life as if nothing happened. Yes, you don't need to treat it as a scar or a wound. Taking first drop has mental effects. Let's be real. You carry that scar for I don't know how many years of your life till someone doesn't tells you that yeah, it's okay. NLU ही सब कुछ नहीं है, right? Don't get yourself into this, please. If you are planning to go for a second drop, go for second drop. Don't go for it. please, unless and until you are not very strong, if you're emotionally weak, if you know that you're going to take it to your heart, if you know you're going to take it to your head, please don't go for a second drop. That is what I'm going to tell. And let's discuss some of the options that you have. Let's discuss them. Think over these things or options. Number one, it kills confidence. Look, once you take first drop, मैं तो तभी बोलती हूँ कि भैया लेने से पहले डिसाइड कर लो कि मतलब तुम इस बारे में सोचोगे नहीं. अगर तुम्हारा NLU 1%, तुम्हें 99% लग रहा है कि तुम्हारी NLU में एडमिशन हो जाएगी अगर तुम ड्रॉप लोगे, 1% अगर नहीं होती है तो यू वोंट गेट स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट इट, यू वोंट टेक इट एज अ पता नहीं क्या हो गया जिंदगी में, यू वोंट गेट इनटू डिप्रेशन, सैडनेस, नथिंग. एक बार चांस लिया, नहीं हुआ, इट्स ओके, फाइन. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू, कम ऑन प्लीज. सो यू डू नॉट हैव टू किल योर कॉन्फिडेंस, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज देयर आर मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज विच कम along with this. Let's be real, man. Our relatives, our neighbors only don't let us live. They only ask our parents that क्या कर रहा है आपका बच्चा, क्या नहीं कर रहा. So if you are not very strong, don't go for this. If you are not strong, don't go for this. Next, कैन गो फॉर 3 year LLB. देखो यार, लॉ की सबसे अच्छी ब्यूटी ही ये है कि अगर आफ्टर 12th यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इन टू 5 year लॉ कोर्स लाइक अ गुड लॉ कॉलेज, you can go for a good 3 year law college. I've done a detailed video about which are those colleges that you can go for if you have prepared for CLAT. And कहीं ना कहीं जो सभी entrance exams हैं, they are much easier than CLAT. Let's be real about that. So अगर CLAT की तैयारी करी है तो वो तो एग्जाम्स आप क्लियर कर ही लोगे अगर अच्छे से स्ट्रैटेजी बना के प्लान करके वो एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन करोगे. Law schools other than NLU. Now let's be real, there are law schools other than NLU which are really good. Again, I've done a detailed video about those law schools. If you're a student who's preparing for CLAT ka exam for the first time, please guys, keep a backup option. There are good law schools other than NLU also, and you should prepare for those exams, right? So next is, you can take admission in any college and then appear for CLAT for the third time. अगर third time appear होना ही है, if you want to, you're desperate, please take admission in any college, any course, any college, any course, and then give the exam. Please do not take a clean, बिल्कुल ही क्लियर कट थर्ड ड्रॉप कि आपने कहीं एडमिशन नहीं लिया हुआ है. कहीं एडमिशन ले लो, अगर इट वर्क्स आउट वेरी गुड, अगर नहीं वर्कआउट करता देन ऑल्सो यू कंटिन्यू योर कोर्स ऑफ कॉलेज एंड अल्टीमेटली यू कैन गो फॉर, इफ यू गोइंग फॉर अ कोर्स से BA, BCom, BBA, तो आप 3 year लॉ के लिए जा सकते हो. नहीं तो यू कैन टेक एडमिशन इन एनी अदर NLU, like any other law school other than NLU, and be happy. Do your law, do the things that I have been telling you to do. Internships करो, research papers लिखो, एक अच्छा, create a good CV. I've done a great video about that. I'll leave the link to it in the description box. लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा. चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके. आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पर मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ. वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ. तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके. वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ. आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय.